welcome to Focus Garage. Today we're going to work on the Haudi project. For those that have been following it, we have done a lot of things to the mechanical side of this car. Since it's mechanically sounds right, it's time to make it nice in the interior as well and pleasant to drive. So there's a lot of things that we're going to do to the interior. The basic one, easy step number one is the lights that needs to be replaced. The interior lights are very dim. They're old school. They take a lot of power, so it puts a lot of stress on the electric wires that it's in this car that are like 30 years old, 31 years old. We're going to replace those old school light bulbs with LEDs. If you guys have been in the channel before, we have worked with LASFIT. They provided us with headlights that were great. So for this project, they also stepped in and they sent us some interior LED light bulbs that we're going to use on this car. So I want to say thank you to LASFIT. If it wasn't for them, this video would have been possible. So thank you guys. And let's get back to work and show you guys the light bulbs. This is the old school light bulb that I've been talking about. Takes a lot of creates a lot of heat, takes a lot of power to basically do nothing. They're not that bright. Show you guys how bright it is. This is how much it lights up, you know, not that much. Barely shines anything, and you can't really see anything inside, and it's very hot to touch. Wow, that was like, you know, a couple of 10 seconds, 15 seconds, so whew, it's kind of hot. So creates a lot of heat. So let's move on to the LED one. So you will see that it has heat sinks over here to dissipate all the heat that it creates, and 7 LED small light bulbs in there that will be brighter than an entire light bulb. So a couple of things that before I pop it in there, I want to talk to you guys. The online guide for this car says 38mm light bulb for the interior. However, when I popped it out and measured it, and it was 41mm. So if I would have ordered 38, it wouldn't have fit because 3mm does make a difference on this car. My advice to you guys is make sure you measure your light bulb and order the correct one, especially if you have an old car. And it's always a good thing to double check, even if you have a new car and the guide is more up to date. And also my guide said I needed like 6 of these, but I only have like 2. I looked everywhere, there's not many. So, and also some of them are different style light bulbs too. So the guide was not helpful at all. Just make sure you use the correct one. So I'm going to pop this in and show you guys how bright it is compared to the other one. It's a lot brighter and I can see a lot more stuff. I see that my trunk is very dirty and needs to be cleaned up. And show you guys a little bit more. The floor, you can see it's a lot brighter. Also, let's touch it and see how hot it is. It's not that hot. I can actually touch it. This tells me that LED light bulb uses a lot less energy than this one because it creates a lot less heat. Going back to that point where the wiring is very fragile in this car, pulling a lot less power through them is a good thing. And also it's a lot brighter than the old one, so that's another good thing. So there's 2 main reasons that you want to do this, and also it looks so much better and also upgrades your interior to 2020 standards. You know, a lot of cars that comes out, they have LED interior, so now you have a LED interior, and they don't cost that much. I will put the link down below so you guys can order it as well. It's a very simple upgrade, but it makes your interior so much better, and it's also helpful when you're looking around the interior so you can actually see, you know. This is just one of them. I have a couple more. I'm going to upgrade those as well. With the other ones that I'm going to replace, the interior will be so much brighter. I'll be able to see a lot better. And also I will be consuming a lot less power through the system, so it's not going to put a lot of stress on this wiring. That's my biggest problem, why I want to replace it to LED, because I don't want to deal with the wiring. My plan is to run my own fuse box on this car for some of the stuff like the radio, interior lights, and all that stuff. So I don't want to risk it with running old school. So it's garbage. We're gonna replace them with all LEDs. So if you guys have any questions, I know this video was a little longer than for that little thing, but just wanted to give you guys more in detail and share why I want to do this. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Please let me know in the comment what you think about the LED light bulbs. Would you do it or not? We have done it before in the past for our cars, and my Focus ST also has LED interior light bulbs from factory, and I love it. So Mike loves it. I love it. We would definitely recommend you guys do it as well. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and also push the bell button to get all the notifications. Mike and I have been working really hard to produce as much as videos as possible. Seeing that you guys liking the video and subscribing makes us do a lot more. Thanks for watching. Kudos to all.